calm, violent swirl. I saw the visions of the past unfurled, and some future that was still uncurled. Every time you gotta make a move, there's a 6-ton elephant in your groove. Every time you gotta make a move, there's a 6-ton elephant in your groove. In your groove. On metal wings came the 60s scene, in denim jackets and old blue jeans. Then came truckloads of men in green to enforce Dr. Luther's dream. Every time you try to make a move, there's a 6-ton elephant in your groove. Every time you try to make a move, there's a 6-ton elephant in your groove. In your groove. This millennium has gone to the wall. The guard dog waits for his master's call. He'll catch you running, so you get ready to fall, and then submit to the inevitable. Every time you try to make a move, you get a 6-ton elephant in your groove. Every time you try to make a move, you get a 6-ton elephant in your groove. Every time you try to make a move, there's a 6-ton elephant in your groove. Every time you try to make a move, you got a 6-ton elephant in your groove. Every time you try to